My name is Salman. There was a time in my life when everything felt stable. I had a routine, I had confidence, I felt comfortable. Then suddenly things changed. I stopped practicing English for many months. My habits became weak, my confidence disappeared. When I tried speaking again, I felt slow, I forgot words, I made mistakes. And slowly a fear grew inside me, the fear of starting over. I told myself, you already failed once. What if you fail again? What if all your old progress is gone? Because of these thoughts, I delayed restarting. Days passed. Then one evening, I visited my uncle's shop. He was repairing an old bicycle. The bicycle looked damaged. Its paint was faded, its chain was rusty. I asked him, why are you fixing such an old bicycle? He smiled and said, because it can still move again. Those words stayed in my mind. He continued working carefully, step by step, cleaning, repairing, adjusting small parts. After some time, the bicycle looked much better. And when he finished, it moved smoothly again. That moment made me think deeply. Maybe I was like that bicycle, not broken, just unused for some time. The next day, I opened my old English notebook. At first, I felt nervous, but I started slowly. I learned a few words. I practiced simple sentences. It felt uncomfortable, but I continued. Days passed. Slowly, my confidence returned. Not instantly, not perfectly, but steadily. I realized something important. Starting over is not failure, it is courage. Because restarting requires honesty, it requires patience, and most importantly, it requires belief in yourself. Now, whenever I lose progress in something, I no longer panic. I simply begin again. Because I understand something clearly. Growth is not always a straight line. Sometimes you pause, sometimes you fall behind. But you can always continue. Final thought. Do not fear starting over. A new beginning can still lead to great progress. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep restarting when needed and always remember, starting over is not weakness, it is strength.